Hey guys, welcome back to WP Event Manager. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create like a class learning type of theme with WP Event Manager's event listing. Okay, you have the event listing theme from WP Event Manager for this purpose, and we have to have the core plugin or like a WP Event Manager actual plugin in the website installed already. And apart from that, you will need two extra plugin that I'm going to show you how to install, or I'll tell you the name of it. Okay, so let's go to plugins and then go to add new, and over here you're going to search for one click demo import. Okay, the plugin you will need is this one right here, the first one. Go ahead, install and activate this one. And the second plugin you will need is Elementor. So the homepage of the theme itself, we have designed that in Elementor for convenience purposes. It's drag and drop, so our non-coder friends will be able to customize that for their self as well. So go ahead and install these two plugins apart from the requirement, the theme itself, WP Manager's event listing. Make sure it's in latest version, otherwise you might not get the demo data or like child themes. So once you have installed and updated your theme, once you have installed the one-click demo import and Elementor, all you have to do is go to appearance, go to import demo data. Okay, and over here you'll be able to see the event listing theme is active. And if you scroll down over here, you will be able to find like every kind of or like all the varieties of child themes or demos we have available. Okay, so these are all a one-click import. No need to manually import anything, just automatically select and go. So let me show you how to get started. Over here, if you want to take a preview, you can click on this link. It will take you to a fully fledged site in our demo site, where you will be able to interact and see for yourself with the desired theme you are choosing or the child theme you are choosing, right? So the learning over here that we are going to import today, it's more targeted towards creating a learning or courses website. So feel free to take a look before you import. When you are ready, you can click on this import demo button, and then over here you'll be able to see like the requirement page. So we have already installed WP Event Manager, and I have instructed you to install Elementor as well in the starting of the video. The star marked plugins over here, they are not required, but they are suggested, so feel free to if you want. If you don't, that's fine. When you're done over here, you can just click on continue and import. So whenever you are done here, just click on continue and import, and over here wait a few seconds. It will automatically import the theme, the homepage layout, some sample events for you to check it out. So it's done importing. We can check it out. Let's go to the front end side by clicking here in the visit site. And here we can see how it looks, but you will find some anomalies over here. The homepage looks a little bit weird, I know. That's a simple fix I'm going to show you. This is some like post installation steps right now. So if you find your homepage looking like this, all you have to do is go to edit page and then switch the template from default to Elementor full width. Okay, so it's gonna like facilitate the entire site. Elementor will take not only the like content area. Okay, so you will find your template to be looking exactly like you checked out on the demo. So this is how it looks. Let's take a look. And if you want to customize any aspect of the theme, it's very simple. All you have to do is edit with Elementor. So every aspect of this homepage over here is customizable to its core. And one more thing that you will have to like modify after installing the theme, that is reorganizing your menu. If you have existing pages, sometimes it gets overridden with the demo menu from our demo site. So let's take a look at the customizer first, then I'm going to show you how to edit this page with Elementor. So let's go to customize, and how to like modify or rearrange the menu. If you ask, you can go to menus from here. You can create a new menu, or you can choose like an existing menu, reorganize your links, delete, remove, add, whatever you want, then assign it to primary. Okay, so basically we have two menus support right now. Either one is the header menu or the main menu. So the second one is social menu. So social menu will appear in the top bar. I'll show you why and when. And social menu will appear in the footer itself. All right, so let's go at the top. I'm gonna show you other options of the customizer. Site identity, the default WordPress options, as you already know. Then we have theme options over here in the header settings. Here you can type in an email. So if you type in an email, or let's say a phone number in the top section over here, it will create a top bar right over header over here to display these two informations. Okay, and if you turn on show social icons, they will like show social icon included menu over here, or social menu over here in the right. So two menus, like I explained earlier, social menu and header menu. I told you like social menu will appear in the top bar. So this is the top bar I was talking about. So this is only visible if you have a telephone number or a email address entered over here. Or if you want to add like a search icon to your main menu, you can do that from here. Just check on this checkbox, it will appear over here. I'm not gonna go ahead and do that. Rather, let's check out the other options we have. And in the footer, you can obviously like change your copyright text to anything you want. Then you can customize your column layout for your footer over here. So you can choose from 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, or 4 column. So going back, site layout settings. Over here, you can choose the site's base layout to be either full width or to be boxed. So if you have worked with Bootstrap, you would understand like what I'm saying here, either container fluid or container. So yeah, basically full width or boxed layout. And then we have the global sidebar settings. By default, there will be no sidebar. If you want, you can sidebar set the sidebar to different variant, either at right, either or in the left. Okay. And then we have mobile sidebar or content sidebar settings. So basically what this means is whether you want to show your content at the top in the mobile section, or like in mobile devices, or you want to show your sidebar at the top. So content first means content will appear at the top, sidebar at the bottom. Or if you should choose sidebar first, sidebar will appear at the top and content at the bottom, right? So that's some simple settings over there. And then we have typography over there, obviously typography stuff, fonts, font size, font width, that's all. And over here you'll be able to select colors, like primary colors, the variables for your entire website. If you want to like change out some colors over here, you can do that there. Then we have header image. You can select a header image from there. Background image, you can select a background image from here. Menus, already explained. Widget, over here you can add widgets to different sections. Right now there's available widgets are sidebar and footer columns. Okay. And then we have homepage settings. Over here you can select like the homepage configuration that you want. This is pretty much WordPress standard stuff. And in the WooCommerce section, you can add like a store notice to your entire website. You can change like product catalog settings. Then you can change out the product image settings and the checkout page settings. The WooCommerce related stuff over here. Then in the additional CSS, if you want to add, let's say like a custom CSS on a global override, you can add that here. Let's say if you want to apply a CSS rule to entire site, you can add that from here. Okay, so whenever you are done modifying, just click on publish and you are done. So let me show you how to actually modify the home page itself using Elementor. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is click with edit with Elementor. Okay, when you click there, just wait a second, it will load a graphical interface. Over here you'll be able to edit anything in this page with just click and edit. Okay, so this is a drag and drop interface. You can like even add to this layout, you can remove from this layout, there's no restriction, just imagine and design, that's it. So this will help our non like coder friend out there to create something beautiful even though they don't know coding. So that's was the reason behind going with Elementor to create this page design. Coding friends out there, they can also use coding to create the design, that's fine, but drag and drop is the new like standard, you can say, when creating page designs. But yeah, feel free to use whatever method you like, but the options is there. So whatever like changes you make in the page, make those changes. Whenever you are done, remember to click on update, and that's it. The changes will take effect immediately. When you are done, click on update and go visit your site. It should be as you like. Okay, So I think that pretty much concludes this video. Let me know in the comment if you have any kind of confusion. I'll be sure to help you out in there. And until next time, I'm Shara saying goodbye. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you around.